How to use leverage trading 212. Follow the instructions. Log into the Trading 212 app or website. Tap on the account switcher and select the CFD account. If you don't have a CFD account yet, complete the quick registration process. Deposit money into your CFD account using any available method. Go to the search bar and type the name of the asset you want to trade. Select the asset from the list that appears. Decide whether you want to buy if you expect the price to rise or sell if you expect it to fall. Enter the amount or quantity you want to trade based on your available balance. Look at the margin requirement to understand how much leverage is applied. Set a stop loss or take profit if you want to manage risk automatically. Review all the trade details including price, amount and risk controls. Confirm and place your trade and then monitor your position from the Portfolio tab. Thank you for watching.